everyone, we're back again with a new video, and today I'd like to touch on a welding hood option that I don't think many people know we offer. It's called the Weldcap, and it's a really unique and low-cost option that I think would make a great fit for a lot of you out there. You know, I think a lot of times the attention gets drawn to our higher-end products like the Helix, the Panoramics, the Crystal 2.0, but again, we offer lower-cost options as well that I think would make a great fit for a lot of people. The Weldcap's going to provide you with the same level of protection you'd find on a typical welding hood, but its design prioritizes comfort over everything, aside from safety. You know, we're all familiar with the traditional headgear you'd see on most welding hoods, and they're just flat out uncomfortable to wear all day long. Aside from uncomfortable headgear, most of the welding hoods out there have a significant weight to them as well. Now, as the name Weldcap implies, this is an auto-darkening welder's cap that combines the comfort of wearing a typical baseball hat with the advantages of a full-on welding helmet. So you're getting the best of both worlds. You know, as you can imagine, wearing a baseball cap is a heck of a lot more comfortable than the traditional headgear you're used to seeing on most welding helmets out there today. On top of that, the Weldcap weighs in at just 0.88 pounds. So it's super lightweight and it's really easy to pop on and off your head throughout the day. Now, before I touch on the functionality of the Weldcap, I'll bring it in for a closer look so you can really get a feel for how its design differs compared to a typical welding hood. So when you take a look on the inside of the Weldcap, this is where you'll find that low-profile shell that houses your ADF. On the outside of the shell, this is where you'll have your flame-retardant protective material that completely wraps around the front and the sides of the shell. Then obviously up top, this is where you have your cap. And again, this resembles a typical baseball cap like you probably already own today. Just like a typical baseball cap, you're also going to find your adjustability on the back here. So no matter what size and shape you have, you can really get a secure, snug fit with this. Now, anytime you want to clean this material, you can easily pop it off just by pressing in on these white rivets here. There's 5 of them all together. Again, really lightweight and just easy to pop on and off throughout the day. As far as technology goes, you're not going to find all the bells and whistles that you'd find in, say, the Panoramic series or the Helix series, but it's going to give you exactly what you need to get the job done and then some. So with the Weldcap, you'll get a light shade of shade 3, which will give you a nice bright and clear view anytime you're doing any sort of prep work or grind work. It's also going to give you an active shade range between 9 through 12. And anytime you want to adjust between those shade levels or go into grind mode, you'll find that adjustability on the upper left-hand side here, right above the ADF. Now, my favorite feature on the Weldcap is this nose cutout, which you'll find right below the ADF. Now, if you're already familiar with Optrel, then you've seen that nose cutout technology on our Panoramic series. But for those of you that aren't familiar with Optrel, what that nose cutout does is it's going to bring the lens close to your face and drastically increase your field of view without adding any sort of weight to the hood. That's the issue with a lot of the hoods out there. I think, you know, everyone wants a larger field of view, and a lot of companies are just making their lenses bigger, and that's adding a lot of unnecessary weight. So that nose cutout design is similar to putting on a pair of glasses, right? The lens in your pair of glasses, they're not all that large, but when you put it close to your face, you can see everything around you. So same exact concept here. Now, if you're someone that needs more protection, say a bump cap or a hard hat, we do have those options available as well. So we have the standard Weldcap, then we have the Weldcap bump, and then the Weldcap hard. So feel free to check those out on our website and take a look at the specs as well. So as you can see, the Weldcap offers, again, a lot of the functionality that you find in a typical welding hood, but the Weldcap is going to be a lot more comfortable to wear, especially for extended periods of time. Now, is this hood for everyone? No. I mean, if you're someone that wants all the bells and whistles, then you want to take a look at the Panoramic series, the Helix series, or even the Sphere series. But if you're someone that's looking for something lightweight and comfortable and doesn't need all the bells and whistles, then I think the Weldcap will be a great solution for you. Well, that about wraps up today's video, but feel free to reach out with any questions you have, and we'll see you soon.